Here's a cold start video of the Suzuki Cappuccino Limited. I am getting ready to do a couple of short driving videos for the Suzuki Cappuccino. It's going to be going up for sale on Bring a Trailer the next few days. I just can't fit in it well enough for me to enjoy this, so it's going on to someone else. Even if I lost weight, my shoulders are just too broad to feel comfortable. My shoulder is always up against the door here. So here's kind of a walk around, and I'll do some driving videos in just a moment. Here's a short, gentle driving video. Just pulled out of the storage unit. Should be able to do a 0 to 60 run here, full throttle. Okay, here we go. Kilometers per hour. I have the windows down and of course the roof installed. Here's how it tracks. Let's get out of this curve, and I've got the tires are delightful. They are exactly right for this car. But track straight, minimal vibration, and it's peppy. All right, windows up, air conditioner on, half throttle. All right, just got on Interstate 65. Turn the air conditioner off so you can hear a little better. Kind of busy right now, so I can't bring my speed up, but there's the tracking. And yeah, the roof is in, the windows are up, and this is how quiet it is. So we're about 112 kilometers per hour. Tiny amount of wind noise, but it's really quiet with the roof in. Is down, or rather it's in the Targo top configuration. And this will give you kind of an idea of how loud it is.